Hello friends, today my topic is approaches to safe electronic commerce. Here I am going to tell you about some electronic commerce safeties. The first is the content of safe electronic commerce. The first approach is internet and intranet security issues and its solution. The secure transport protocol is the second one. The next approach is to do secure transaction. Then SET, certificate for authentication, security on web server, and the last one is enterprise network. First, the intranet and internet security issues and its solution. This involves need for computer security, which is mandatory nowadays. The next one is security strategies. These are the various security strategies which are applied either to the network or to the computer. One of the good way of securing this internet or internet is to apply encryption method. It is a very widely used security strategy. Next is a MasterCard or Visa card secure electronic transaction. This is one of the strategy. Introduction, requirement and concept is one of the strategy. Next is how we can do secure payment processing is one of the way. Next is security on web server. It involves a host-based security capability. These are means by which each and every computer on the system is made more impregnable. That means it should be checked every time. Security watchdog system is another set of security. It is a guard set of internal connected systems. Own enterprise networks are called firewalls. These are one of the security ways. Host security consideration is a discipline that endowed with more rigorous security. Next is host security consideration. Host security techniques contain an open access to the company web page to support e-commerce, but it allows to only those who are the legitimate user. Another one is a universal anonymous access to an FTP, the server for downloading and product information. Next one is restricted access to an FTP server to allow the preferred customer to download e-product, a software and a patches. The OTP support for one-time sales special is an electronic coupon and frequent customers. It is one of the good way to protect host security. Next one is what should a company protect? It should protect its data that we call the metadata, that is an organization's data. Then it should protect the login access to the organization host, which are provided their login IDs and password. It should be protected, otherwise the organization data will be in danger. Next one is should protect the availability to the organization's host to the productive information. What are the possible reasons for penetration of the security? These are the main reasons for security penetration. First one is denial of service. Embarrassment is the next one. Impersonation is one of the reasons. Intellectual challenge, maliciousness, personal gain, stock manipulation, theft, vandalism or revenge is one of the good way or one of the mostly used way for penetration of the security. Next one, we are dealing with the facets of enterprise level security. These are the enterprise level security facets that we have to discuss today in short. First one is host security. Then is host-based communication security. Then is network-based communication security. What is the first host-based security contains? It contains the security of organization's host in a local or a standalone context. For example, defining password policies and enforcing the password restriction, scanning the existing user account for excessive privileges, searching for the viruses or SUID or SGID permissions, and using tools such as POPs, cracks or tripwire in order to protect the host. And this is one of the important facets for information security at enterprise level. Another one is host-based communication security. It deals with the locally securing network utilities on an organization's host. For instance, let's consider restricting or disabling the access to the network services on the host, configuring trusted access for the number of other hosts, securing anonymous FTP, and filtering the request for the network services. The next one is network-based communication security. It deals with a host security consideration. For example, the firewalls, packet filters, application gateways, proxies, and bastions are the network-based communication security. Next one is a value to host infraction. It contains the host security, which plays very vital role for basic host security function. Next one is host security policies. What is the first one contains? It contains to authenticate the based on the source and host user and to challenge the response scheme. Next one is host security policies. It contains follow list privileges, apply defense or depth defense diversity method, establish an access out or gateway checkpoint for centralized security, identify the weakest link in the security, develop the corporate security policies, have a plan, protect, proceed, pursue, and protect. These are all the ways, the approaches to follow for considering or for taking. These host security policies are the approaches to safe electronic commerce, which should be followed in order to protect the enterprise network security. Next one is enterprise network security. It is a firewall communication. It contains various categories of firewalls. The first one is there are in two ways the firewall works. It works on permit unless specifically denied and deny unless specifically permitted. Both are the